Dear friends, welcome to my channel. This is a model question paper 3 thinking program with a Python. Subject code is 25 CS 21 I 10 marks questions. So we have to find out the tokens, identify the tokens following Python statement, explain each of them with its. So it is given Python program. We have to find out the tokens of the Python statement. So before going to that, you should know what is a token. Token is the smallest unit of Python program such as keywords, identifiers, operators, literals and punctuators. So we are going to explain how we are going to categorize by using above question. The first keyword is while. While is a keyword. So where we are going to use that while, the reserved the words which are creating a loop and executing statement repeatedly while condition is true. So count is an identifier. We can use it for name, use it for count. So relative operator, this operator they given. Relational operator. It compares whether the count is less than 10. So fourth one is a literal number. It is an integer literal. It is a constant value integer. Okay. Next will be an punctuator is a separator which we can use it for starting the loop to block. And next is a result is identifier is a variable used for store the result. And next is assignment operator is equal to the value of the result. So next finally we'll get a result that is called identifier, a repeater. So again you can use it for again expression, repeating expression. Arithmetic is a plus as given. Arithmetic operator is a perform addition. So value 1 identifier is given. It is a variable name because underscore is allowed. The valid underscore is going to allowed. Next will be an minus. It is an arithmetic operator we call it, that is we call it as performance of subtract. And the 12th one is a literal integer literal which we can use it for constant value, use it for calculations. So above statement we have different tokens that is called keywords, identifiers, operators, literals and punctuators which together will give a valued loop and good expression of the Python. The second question is we have to create a program for stimulate ATM machine to check. So first if we enter correct pin, allow user to proceed. Next is valid that withdraw amount does not exceed account balance and ensure the withdraw amount multiply specific denomination, example 100 rupees. So now we have to create a ATM machine stimulating Python program. So now we will learn that. This is the step 1 ATM stimulation Python stimulation program. So first case we say predefine the pin and balance. So you have to correct the pin 1 2 3 and the balance will be in 5000. We have step 1, check the pin and enter the pin, input the enter whatever pin it is given. Next enter the pin if it is correct. If it is correct. If incorrect, assess is design else. So print verified the successfully. Step 2 is enter the withdraw amount. Amount we have to enter and enter the amount. So step 2 is a check balance. Step 3 will be the check balance. We have to enter the amount. If it is less than, it will give the insufficient balance. And step 4 is check the denomination, means multiply hundreds. We have to omit hundreds. So if it is not sufficient properly, if you normally will get an error in such a way that amount should not be multiplied by 100. And finally, we will get a balance amount, withdraw amount successfully and print remaining balance of the amount. So if you coming to the explanation point, so first step is we have to pin verification. You have to enter the pin compared to the stored pin and if it is incorrect, assess is deny. Next we have to go for balance validation. So check the withdraw amount less than equal to the balance. Next, third one is denomination check. Ensure that amount is visible by divisible by 100 using a is equal to operation percentage operator. So finally successful transaction, deduct the amount balance which is displayed on remaining balance of the ATM. This program which will give you a operation the valid of pin, checking the balance and ensure the correct withdraw amount denominations and calculation, making it secure and user friendly. You will learn this program. And next question, what is you have to create a program bookstore want to automatic discount calculation based on the purchase amount and display discount displayed total purchase how much less than equal to 1000 3000 to find this is how much percentage discount has given 25 15 5 there is no discount less than 100. So we have to it is one of the best practice for variable names, indentation and comments. We can do it here now. Next will be an Bookstore calculation and discount program. So Python, you have to calculation and discount program. Input the purchase amount, total amount, floating amount you have to enter, and initialize the discount. First discount will be percentage will be in 0. Next, apply the discount policy. So less than equal to 5,000 is a 25% discount. Less than 3,000, greater than 5,000 will be an 15%. Less than 1,000 to 3,000, it will be an 5%. Less than that will be an 0% discount. And final calculating the final amount, you have to discount percentage divided by 100 into total number of percentage. You have to use the formula. Final amount you will get to total amount and discount amount. Result will be displayed. And final printout, you will get a printout total amount the printout, discount amount with the percentage applied, and discount amount and discount amount, and discount printout, finally amount paid and final amount. And small explanation about the best programming practice. One of the best program, it is a naming variable name as given, total amount, discount amount, percentage and final amount. Proper indentation is a clear structure of the condition as given. Comments will be explained step by step program, and a readable condition clearly define the discount range also. So based on this, the program is automatically discount calculated based on the purchase amount, making charges and bills accurate, efficient and easy to understand. Next will be in Python code calculate average marks, 3 subject of the student as given, which we given maths, science, English, and average of marks is given in the program. Grade and average of the marks of grade B, grade C, how they are going to distribute marks, and how to calculate the average marks and print. You should get a grade where like that the program as given. We have to get a output for that. And also some condition is given, rewrite the above program using a modular approach defining appropriate such a functions. A function get input from users, the function calculated average, function to determine the grade, and the main function is organism program with a program flow. Okay, the program should will be the function get input from this. So you will have to write a program, maths, science, and input enter the marks and return marks, science and English. This you have to write it. After that, you have to go for the function average. We have to use the formula. You will get a average functions, and then you have to determine the grade. So determine the grade based on the marks, and return grade based on the average marks, and return grade you will get each subject they mentioned in the question, and based on that you have to add here. And less than 50 C grade, below 50 F grade they mentioned in the question also. And the main function is organized by the flow program. So this will be in math, science and English, and average calculation and grade determination. So print average and print grade. The calling main functions, you will get a main function. You will get the program like this. And program explanation, get a marks, take a input from the user, calculate the average, compute the average, determine the grade, assign the grade based on the average, and main is control over the program flow. The modular approach, it will be helpful for improved readability, reusability and maintenance of the program. And next question is to describe the different types of the function argumentation Python suitable examples. The first one is a positional argument. The positional argument means we have to argument pass it with the same order like a parameters. So for example, AB, the print we have to add. So if we give an example 2 plus 3, how much you will get output? 5. Next will be an key argument. In this key argument, we have to see the parameters name or other. It is not in a order. It is not important. Only keywords will be important, age and name. So if you displayed will be age 20, name will be displayed example. Next will be a default argument. There is a parameters assigned default functions is defined. For example, name is a guest, hello name. So output will be an hello guest, and same way name if you put hello. For example, if you put Hanu name, you will get a Hanu name. Here variable length argument, there is a 2 types in the variable length argument, that is non-keyword variable argument. It is nothing but allow the pass the multiplication position, multiply position in the arguments. We can multiply position with an argument, we will get a final output. Next is key variable argument. We have used only key. Multiply keywords argument, allow passes multiply key argument. Key argument something about data, print the data, whatever data we have entered, age and Ravi data, example is given here. Next, final is required argument. The argument must be provided, otherwise error will occur. We should get proper provide square means you will get a square. N is n square, 5 square correct. So if it's square, error, if you get an error, that is if it's not correct, it is getting a error, missing argument. See more information, please subscribe my channel and share and support. So thank you.